Come on, you two. Let's go exploring in the woods. Come on. Love exploring. Come on. Good boy, boss. Good girl, Rosie Lee. Can you hear the birds? Birds are beautiful. Let's go back this way. Actually, let's go in here. Let's see. Look at the trees. Oh, I love the trees. Probably older than me, to be fair, some of these trees. I want to go in there one day and go right through. Come on then, let's go back this way. Good boy, good girl. Come on. Do you want to go down there? Should we go down? Love exploring. What a beautiful day to explore as well. There's so much to explore. Thank you, universe, for our beautiful nature.